Chinsa ni Ikomi tukoneria Jumamosi tariki ni Ikomi na mutenyo kaberu mwaka w'irubene meronke beneseto karabona ko kwaria ni rio manyana ali agendete gwatuka mena isko ya Gusii kubodi kwa nera libagari ya ulia bene uraya bwati na kumanyana ali atekire kurukingo nye Chinsa iria nyimoja sugusu amo na bosongo nyurana abakwenda gutubwadia sensema ya mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital wega sensemo ya YouTube raboko tonyora Ndizi TV News okonya chinga kina boto tweet @Ndizi TV News wa kerengel kiao na boko tuma gwetera se namba ira se screen iura buneritiko ria Jumamosi ekero yukaberu mu wasiri bwegisemi George mawanyaraga kweni wa sensemeri ya busia sabarai au baikirana senseme na komwais koyo mwelio aseba motogi mago abuna ekararinke asense ya Kenya kararinga sobokarari nigakorete meroberio ya yebuya asensemo ya Gusii nigabara ibeso kire na komocho moraibo mubwasimi uro moja oyo roberetie otarere county ya Kisii ritko ria Jumatata yugati yana kwarenira se Chinsa jiga kokobolio benenje goikomweri Joshua utanero sensemeri yo mundu manyererio ekero petronera mokeira kwene kuna muri wine chibicha gochira senjera bene na ingingo ya leta Brighton Makori Etuko jaga kurwase county ya Kisii asebona baraya nene bali baligetie birogo awo korendeti babinyora abakura wano yokabairo mokonyi bo mugabana se county ya Kisii Charles Mangi bano banyarire bakobori onde bwenso rengete guturbanyo Gusii atigane amangana ayo kabisa niho bayakwana ayo karabona bateruna nigo bagendete asemroberio yogochiko muhariga ninka omwasiri wegiseme sekir majogu ekerero bereri buno murai bwense Dr. William Ruto najigo ikerana somo yego yoroberi gokorekana omotienyi oyo iganiga yabakwanire nabatabuna barabuno Gusii mpatakirego chamo na gusukuma birengererio byo Gusii
Nelio ogwakire president yitu ngambia mono sana asogo choro mu minister mwano ito secure macho mu minister of education na mo sekurigereria education Gusii yansire ko improve bia masane president o maene mbulinga kene nchama baba ngete iliegere ba insight yo mu Gusii yabene serikali iliegere kila serikali yego jogoja ntonyora magenderero buna bagira banyori inu mwane kwebolinga ekero ogwala akoro mkaming yaye gaiga bogere maate Raila karabisa Ruto abantu baye bonsi paka munu mwabo Senator Oburu Odinga no alengo manyana karabisa Ruto lakini ntu gaiga gata tono tujokaramat magamano kwa nini iliyegera ntonyora magendera abantu abamate gaenga kiyo ya handshake bakanyori bintu byonse bakaira bintu ntonyora dikende chipara bakaira ntonyora dikende enga kito nere Raila to sike atigo mu Gusii decide ngayago kirande ntuno mu Gusii tayari tu decide ringa stogochia na Ruto ekiombe gya keti nigobono gya chakirie kurwa maigergo gya sebyombe bikebike bunenjere yamo yoko egenderia asebono batebire osebaburire abakenya gose abantu weso ya sebyombe bikebike ndiko jorobo semia bunanga kibaranyare bakwegendali gojibosio
Okay, asamarieta ngoro kwa Nesmas Ongeri Aminga inde representative ya constituency ya Kitutu Chache South kurwa sensemo ya keti yere Kisii and Level Trust Initiative twatire igara ro ase Nyagancha market Bogisero kugamba nebyombe nakobia obo mahene igoro ya keti enyegera binyare ko register agwasi to ikaranse nebyombe bingi ase ritko ya rero banyali otegerera abantu abaya kabisa naende togosaba kabisa bamanya abamwabo egere byombe bi register obokonyi mbobe mutu naende obokonyi bochakira barabwa abanyana sabanyane banyare wekonya obuya wekyombe like now when we are talking of keti ne umbrella organization eyemerete byombe byonsi youth groups women groups self-help groups CBOs companies and NGOs chionsipi igawano toko request y'abantu banyare oswa kya keti ne twarobo semi obonge anena ase projects chirie byombe bigokora na bari batabwati no project mbabe bago semi goni project babone tokora kolengana na ase baruete
omunyakerogo bwechiro ya Nyabite yigotoka se county Nyamira Daniel Nyanduko ni gobana nyarika ukwanira makongwari bagwetera chire yo yanyabite azabona boria serikali ye county moneri anene kurigereria echire yo nakobeke meroberio era nyareke okonya bonchererio ase echire yo
yonkoro kwa Daniel Nyandiko ninje ndo chairman ase echiro yanyabite igaiga lakini ntumune board ye chiro nchene kamati yane na kubwatira ne county government ya Nyamira abantu barura separa na ende musikuligerie pale iyo na very clear emeroberie egenderete bono igato kanyeta mangana financial year oligerie chire ria ruguru erie tarahera yatenge ruchibeza mbaje beka se supplementary budget ibintu biri bitagete gokorwa aria togorogana top stones egere beka se chire erie ruguru echire egendere gokora emirimo nechitaye chichibekwe egere echiro ite kolegas obotuko no mugaso nechipara chiri chiare ko igorwa nchia igorwa onye nechinde chitarabekwe maram igona the federal chonsi ndo chinga chigasa ne ko igorwa e county government yitu ya Nyamira nindo chinga ne gasa ne gotokonya
unenjera yemo yogosira chisemia zebunga ya
na sisi tulisema ya kwamba kwa sababu tumepata mbunge mpya ambaye ndio mimi hapa, tumebadilisha ule mtindo wa kupatiana basari. Basari zilikuwa zinapatiana kwa ofisi, lakini mimi niliamua na wananchi hawa wangu wote hapa kwa kadri moja ya kwamba basari tutakuwa tunapatiana hapa mahali wako, kwa sababu kulikuwa na udanganyifu kidogo wa maneno ya basari. Hawa wako wanapata basari vizuri, lakini tumesema ya kwamba tutafanya na tutahakikisha ya kwamba basari imepatianwa kwa njia ya haki na njia ya halali, na kila mtu ambaye leo ameleta form zake za basari hapa ataweza kupata basari, kwa sababu
asijinga kijeju ni gomobungo ya terune bunge ya kitutu jaji not asamatukale bosyo ense yoburaibu ayana leo jugobe bunge ntangani eranyarge koira bana bangas university osama somo kwimokera igoro asaduruna babe kiremeroberi yoko bwaterana na baiboli aboroki mara aboroki wa anekrate na aboroki abange osaboroki wa abange mbari kwenda skuru asabana babe kiremerobina goika kiro mwana agende skuru.
Hii ni ngao mpya. Hii ni mwanzo mpya. Kitutu Chache North ndio itatangulia kuanzia mwaka huu kuelekea mbele. Kwa hivyo hizo constituencies zingine ninataka tuwahadharisha ya kwamba Kitutu Chache North imeamka na tumeanza ngao mpya na tumeanza mwanzo mpya. Kwa hivyo tutashirikiana na wazazi, walimu, wanafunzi na mimi kama mbunge wao. Na tumesema ya kwamba kuanzia sasa mwanafunzi yeyote ambaye atakuwa anaingia darasani ataweza kuweka sahihi kuonyesha ya kwamba alikuwa darasani, kwa sababu shida kubwa tumekuwa nayo hapa Kitutu Chache North ni wanafunzi hawaendi darasani, kwa sababu kupata E sio kazi rahisi. Kupata E inamaanisha huyu mtoto hajaenda darasani, hajakuwa darasani, kwa hivyo hata mtihani ukija hawezi kuandika chochote. Kwa hivyo tumesema tutashirikiana wazazi, walimu, wanafunzi.
Gusii ni gobono aborigwe na gosemigo chama na ukwana ni diogerimo anonye nalitoranyora mabaga aisaina serikali ka ukwana mwana siasa Samson Oyondi ni gatebruna Gusii tarachamo aisego chamo nali obosibu ayego sena baranyarga konyore binge gochesa mutuko alebosio
Gusii teto chamo kuligereri kuna ekwerende President Ruto aligete mutabati akarika wetangura agakonya baikoyo asengenje barengamo tuarenge ko bamo Raila yabuye tukikura 200,000 because of mutabati and wetangura tali kigasi umali ko nabotangasa bali kuri Nyamira na Ruto bwangire kwa abantu kigasi kurwosongo teri boyo egasi let us come together kurwo wa MCA bobunge bwonde bwensi boko base party yo Gusii party yo Gusii yemo na inchena state party Kenya People's Party ntwa stena nyona kinde kiaskira Gusii chaikiri party yange 10 na chiba 20 mundu tabasocho rukure party ya ishiko Gusii atoje tugeta
Umurai umukuru bwenze ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta hagati y'abarai bari bekirana somo yigabo komweni yo kabairo mu wasiri bwegisemi Professor George Magoha sebono umurai bwenze umukuru Uhuru Kenyatta yaraga komutogi Magoha abono umurai bwerwete anene ase ministry yegisemi asa kolede obibali bwa matemu ekaralengo mu wasiri asense ya Kenya.
I had an opportunity to work with Professor Magoha. I had an opportunity to interact severally with Professor Magoha, especially at a time when we were going through very difficult times in the education sector. Many of you will recall the numerous cases of exam cheating that used to take place. And when Magoha's term as Vice Chancellor of Nairobi University came to an end, I requested him, because of what I had seen in terms of his contribution to Nairobi University, to take on the role of heading the National Examination Council. And under his leadership, at that time, together with Professor Matiang'i, they saw the eradication of cheating in our national exams, and they brought sanity and quality back to exams and to our education system. Hiyo kazi yote ilikuwa ya huyu mzee ambaye amelala hapa mbele yetu.
Asijinga kiyecho murayo mukorobano Uhuru Kenyatta na irali bagari ya elia bena kuburia barai anne bari barasebiro aho kwene kibinango babwatani baraba Kenya abonsi.
Na vile Magoha aliishi, vile nimesema, bila kuangalia kabila, bila kuangalia dini, bila kuangalia rangi. Hata bibi ametembea, ametoa kule Nigeria, ametuletea hapa. Viongozi tuache ukabila, tupendane kama Wakenya, tujenge nchi yetu pamoja na tuweze kujadiliana pamoja, tuwe na Kenya ambaye itakuwa ya kufana na ambaye kila Mkenya anatoshea na kila Mkenya anafurahia. Ama ni namna gani wenzangu? Ni hivyo. Hiyo ndiyo njia ya kumkumbuka ndugu yetu, rafiki yetu, na tunauliza Mwenyezi Mungu amlaze pahali pema, Mwenyezi Mungu amurehemu, Mwenyezi Mungu aendelee kubariki familia yake, jamii yake, wananchi wa game na wananchi wa Kenya kwa jumla.
Umurugiyo nyagosira Magoha Barbara Magoha nerena nyaraga kuriro mugako ya samotogi ibunani garengo mugaka wesiro asenka yaye.
Sorry to let you down. My new position in the family does not give me such privilege to do public display of emotions. I'm a Nigerian. I was born a Nigerian. I'll be buried a Kenyan. In between, I'm a Malian. I mourned my husband the Nigerian way, because when you are in distress, you go back to the womb, and the first language was my Anna. I mourned him in my own way. I did my songs of lamentation in church, at the hospital. Now, according to our custom, I had to mourn my husband in two ways. My husband was more than 70 years, the number of years that the good Lord has allocated to us. So from there, the farther away you are from 70, the more the rejoicing. It's not tears. Please celebrate with my husband.
Oigo mwana oye nyagosira Magoha oyo kurugumi kairi Magoha nerena nyaraga kwerera na kisa lenga wesiro boikarate na isetanje siasa kero kana buna tata kitebana siasa bakwane siasa asamatanga yoko mweni ise asensemeyo.
The first thing I keep hearing, this is not supposed to be a political event. But the reason is people forget the reason why my father would say that. It's because deep down, and it has been said before, he believed everybody was the same. And he thought things like politics, tribe, all of that stopped people from being the best version of themselves. He thought that if anybody ever focused on that, they forgot on just doing what they're supposed to do and being the best version of themselves. So that's one thing I'm happy that everybody's here, and you can tell, those who remember him, those who spent time with him, they always say it always comes back, and for that, I'm very grateful and very respectful. So that's the first thing. There are two things I have to say. Sorry, let me calm down. So there are three types of knowledge. There's explicit knowledge. This is where somebody has to tell you directly what to do. This is what you expect all the time. Somebody comes and tells you, do this, do this, do this, and you think you'll be learning. The second is implicit knowledge. This you're not told. This you watch, you look around, and you learn what to do. You learn how to react. You learn how to carry yourself. And then the last one, which has really hit me of late, is tacit knowledge. Tacit knowledge, you will be told time and time again by many different people, but you don't realize how important it is until you are there at that time. And that keeps on coming. And I think that was the strength of my father.
Banke bano bakwa na semo yego ibo kumwenu muwasiri asinze yo kabero muwasiri w'ikisemi asenseme ya siaya konne oganya warase gikoragense ya bamano goba abono muwasiri bobwera ni radio waro oyo nyaraga ko iralibaga lyumurai bwenso yo osomoro boti rumurai bwense muwasiri w'ikisemi yasekere majogunere na ikirana asenseme yo bogo mugabana bwe county ya siaya chemsiore ngone na ikirana asenseme ubonsi mbakwa na asenseme yo ayuni goraganya warake gikoragense mo yabono maroba kugwakera mbiyemo nekero kwereliba lya bene ko yaligeria Chinsa Ikomi Joshua utanero ngasa nsemeri umuntu w'amanyererio ekero Betronera nchama hayane kinago cheire asinjira Betronera Mokeira ako yaredera gwetera asinjira yemeriogi ne chibicha Eriane Brighton Makoli.